Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I'll show you how to use CapCut's AI text-to-video feature. This tool can quickly turn your written scripts into engaging videos, whether you're new to video editing or looking for a faster way to create content. This feature is a game changer. So now let's get started. First, open your device and search for the CapCut app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your App Store or the official website. Once installed, open the app. So on the main screen, locate and click on the script to video or AI text to video feature. This is where the magic happens. Next, type or paste your script into the text box provided. This will be the foundation of your video. So after entering your script, you can customize your video by choosing from various templates, themes, and visual styles. CapCut's AI may suggest elements, but you can also manually tweak the visuals, text placement, and music to fit your needs. Once your video is generated, review it to ensure everything looks good. You can make any final edits, such as adjusting timing or adding voiceovers, and when you're happy with the video, click Export. Select your preferred resolution and save the video. It's now ready to be shared on your favorite platforms. And that's how to use CapCut's AI to text video feature. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.